if you belong to a typical, extremely typical Maharashtrian family, you would know this. That ये सब रद्दी में जाता है, ये कचरे में नहीं जाता है. Not the nicest angle, but will do. Alright, also this is my H&M package which just arrived today. I was having the worst week of like 2022. Like this week was just so off for me. Like last 7 days have been just so bad, like so bad. I got a bed tray. I thought it was really nice, so I just got it. You know, duvet cover, and it also has a pillowcase, so which is pretty cool. And then I got this thing, which is just the curtains for, these are blackout curtains for my living room. And then I also got this duvet. So yeah, that's all that I got. I also have gotten a lamp which should be here soon with the couch that I've ordered, and I'll probably have a couch soon. Let's just pray that I get couch this time. This is like a never-ending story of my couch. But yeah, I should hopefully get it. Also, I got a coffee table. I still have to like open it and put it together, which I won't do. I'll make Summer do it probably this weekend or something like that. Hi guys, look at my house. It's a mess, and there's Summer. So say hi.
Hello.
My Ikea couch is here, and two of the pieces were missing. So the delivery man told me to, you know, I should be talking to like the customer care, and I said okay, fine. But turns out it was still in the delivery truck, and he delivered them at like 11 p.m. and I was like okay, fine. So I got the couch the same day, and I have all the pieces, and someone's putting them together for me and being the nicest brother possible, for which I still have to like, you know, get him Domino's or something. But that's still better than
waffles.
Like okay, waffles, but that's still better than having to do it all by myself. So I'm really excited for my couch to finally get done. It's taken me forever to like get this couch, so I'm very, very excited. I cannot even put it in words. I finally have a place to sit. I mean, I was sitting literally on my floor for the longest time, and before that I actually did order my couch from Pepperfry twice, and they failed to deliver it. So that went on
Twice.
for like, yeah, twice only.
They failed to deliver it twice.
Oh yeah, and Samat really like hates them, like, and I also hate them. I still thought of like giving them a chance, but the second time I was ordering from Pepperfry, I was like, no, let's just do it from Ikea. And Samat also doesn't like Ikea, but there's a different reason to it. That's okay. Yeah, so what I did is I ordered from Pepperfry again, and they failed to deliver it again. So I finally ordered it from Ikea, and I'm so happy that I did that. So yeah, I'll just show you guys once it's done. Glass ka? Are you tired? Show them your new watch. Guys, you got a say what is it?
कैसी हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ, तुम कैसे हो? my couch is done, and this is going to be my new place where I'm going to sit and like talk to you all. I still have to do my coffee table, and I'm very happy that I finally have a couch. It's grey. I contemplated a lot on the color, and I finally decided on this one. I was also thinking of orange because I wanted like a pop of color, but then I thought that what if I you know, that face just like goes, what, phases out. What if the face
phases out.
yeah, that is good English.
I know.
And then I'll have an orange sofa and it won't make sense, so I thought of getting grey because I think that's really nice. And I was also thinking maybe I'll get a beige one, but yeah, I ended up getting this one from Ikea. It's pretty good. I really like it, and it's like a 3-seater. Yeah, I just have to get my TV now and then I'll be done. What do you think? Someone's not going to get we should get a TV, man. I want a TV. The next thing that I'm going to get is a TV, and I think I'll be done with the house, like TV and couple of things, or just like kuch wall painting and stuff, and then I'll be done.
So it's been a year.
It's been a year that I'm telling you guys ye karungi wo karungi, but nahi, I just have way too many responsibilities, man. Tell them how much. Now someone's been helping me out, so it's been great. But yeah, it was quite a tough year, no? Last 2 years. But anyway, it's finally here and this is happening, so I'm very excited. So guys, if you belong to a extremely typical Maharashtrian family, you would know this, that ये सब रद्दी में जाता है, ये कचरे में नहीं जाता है. So now I'm keeping everything वहाँ पे. Mom, last month she sold all of my Zara boxes, H&M boxes, and all that I get in PR. Like the boxes I'm saying, not the things that I get in PR. So she sold all of it and she made like 80 rupees and she was so happy about it. So you know, I thought of like doing this for her. Like I'm such a nice daughter of doing.
This is like $500, I guess.
No, this is not 500. Man.
200.
I think, okay, tell me. I think this would be 120. All of it, all of it. Not the plastic. I don't know if they take plastic.
They take plastic.
They take plastic, then maybe 150.
200.
One. Let's see. What do you think? It's blue. It doesn't go with my theme. What should I be putting? Nice.
Nice.
And obviously I have to put my Kevin here. So it looks somewhat like this. What do you think? Should I switch it up? Okay, also I was planning on starting a garage, I was planning on doing a garage sale, but that did not happen. And also on my declutter video, a lot of you guys said that I should finally start like, you know, thrift stores sort of a thing. So I thought of like doing that. So I'm gonna be starting my Instagram page wherein I'll be selling pieces from my closet. And I have this is what I did today. So I have all of these things. You'll obviously see on my Instagram page. So what I'm going to do is every Sunday I'll be posting probably like 5 pieces, and I'm going to only take like a GPay or Paytm, so no COD available. Sorry. And please hold it like this. No COD available. And also yeah, I'm gonna ship all over India, so you can obviously order, and obviously there would be shipping charges, otherwise I don't think so it makes sense. So that's that. And I will try to keep prices as affordable as possible and low, since they are like, anyway like second hand. So I hope you guys,
they are not second hand, you have worn them like maybe 2 times,
yeah,
maximum.
most of them also have like the tags on, so which is crazy. Also things that I got done today, I have this thing which says go where you feel most alive, which is really good, but it's in the color blue, which doesn't really go with my theme, but let's see. I'm thinking of making it work any which ways. And then I just added this cacti thing, and then I obviously have my money plant, can't do without it. And I also hung up
Paisa.
like I finally have my curtains up. I'm very happy about that as well. And one more thing that I had to really do is put on a curtain in my bathroom as well. Otherwise I had to like change the glasses, and I did not want to do that, so I got that done as well. So I'm very excited, and my room is still the same. And yeah, all these clothes, so get excited if you guys want to shop. And that's all that I have done so far. I will give you more updates. I'm planning on getting a TV hopefully this week if summer agrees. Shut up. I really want to get a TV. I want to get a TV. Alright, so that's all that we did today. I'm really happy with how it looks. I also got this lamp, and turns out you can only put the Ikea bulb in it, and you can't really put any other bulb in it, which is really stupid. I got this for 550 rupees, which is
No,
cheap.
it's just like they have special bulbs, not the normal ones. Like
Yeah.
not IKEA specifically,
Yeah,
but
special, just like not the normal ones. I can't really like take this and put it in my lamp. Yeah, and for this area I've cleaned everything. Also, I'll give you a little sneak peek, not sneak peek actually, but I got all of that done today and I'm very excited. Please don't show how this looks because we just like got a lot of things drilled, so there's like dhool mitti everywhere. But yeah, I just arranged all of my makeup stash today and I'm really happy. So this is what it looks like. I got this from Ikea like 7 months ago and I finally have all of it here. So I have my makeup here. I got this from Amazon, and I have my makeup brushes here. Then I have all my lipsticks and stuff here. These are all my perfumes. I'm gonna be doing a perfume collection really soon for you guys. And I also did remove a lot of my skincare stuff which was expired. So yeah, that is also something that I got done. I have my H&M package right here. I'll hopefully I should be probably doing a haul really soon, so be on a lookout for that as well. And yeah, that's all that I've done. I also
such a big box.
that's what my house has been looking like, and I'm very excited and very happy with how everything looks. What do you think? I think it looks really nice. Finally coming together. I'm so happy. Yay!